Hey guys, right now I want to go over with you what an objective summary is and how to write one. We'll be writing objective summaries throughout the course, so it is imperative that you learn how to do it early on. So first off, what we need to talk about is what it even means to be objective. When you're being objective, it means you're showing no bias, no emotion, or opinion. If you don't know what bias is, it's usually something like when you might hear a mom say, "Oh, my baby is the prettiest baby I've ever seen. She's the prettiest baby in the world. Isn't she the cutest?" Well, of course she's going to think that. She's her mom or his mom. That is showing bias. You might show bias during football season when you're rooting for your team and you say, "Oh, Alabama is the greatest," or "Auburn is the greatest," and Alabama or LSU or whatever, they suck. They've got a terrible quarterback, running back, lineman, whatever. That's just being biased. Those are not facts. In an objective summary, it should be completely facts. There should be no sentences in an objective summary that says, "I think," "I believe." In fact, you shouldn't use pronouns at all. There should be no I's, we's, you's, us, anything like that. And here, next I have just what is a summary. It's just a basic, brief account of a text's essential points, themes, or main ideas. I also have here for you the outline of writing an objective summary. Objective summaries must be 5, maybe 7 sentences tops. So you have your first sentence. Sentence 1 should be your topic sentence or main idea. If I'm writing about Finding Nemo, my topic sentence would be something like, "A father goes on a journey across the ocean to find his son." I'm going to give 3 or maybe 5 supporting detail sentences that go in, chronologically or in order of the events that happened. I wouldn't skip around and say how, I'm not going to tell in sentence 2 how Nemo was found. Obviously, that's going to be towards the end. And finally, you have your conclusion sentence. And that would be Nemo and his father reunite after the long journey or something like that. So I'll be asking you throughout the quarter or semester rather to write an objective summary on the text that you read or poems even. So this is something you need to go ahead and write down or maybe download this, screenshot it if you need to.